Hi guys, here's a Kenmore air conditioner that was given to me by the HVAC tech who did the refrigerant on our heat pump we recently installed. This is a Kenmore type KSSE 24GA2. I believe it's a 2-ton. It's R22, uses a scroll compressor. Based on the serial number, I think it is from 1998, L98. We also got a coil with it. No TXV in this one, just a flow rater. Anyway, let's open this, take the top off and see how this is inside. Apparently the system was working when it was removed. This unit is in remarkably good condition. I don't see any rust anywhere on it. The only thing I can find wrong is the coil desperately needs to be straightened. I have a fin straightener used on it. That shouldn't be much of a problem. Yeah, let's get the top cover off this. There we go. Oh, spiders in there. I have to go wash this thing out. Simple fan that still spins nicely. Yeah, very simple. Looks like there's only a single circuit on the coil. The tubes just go right into the compressor, no filter dryer or anything. Has a sound blanket though. Yeah, I believe this is a scroll compressor. Yeah, let's wash this thing out now. The sound blanket is off, and it is indeed a Copeland scroll compressor. Let's see if we can find the model number. What is this? It's the ratings. Here we go. ZR22KC-PFV-130. Let's clean this thing off now. That definitely does need a clean. And let's see what we can do now. That water is absolutely filthy coming off those coils. Okay, that looks way better now. Pretty much all the dirt is gone, except some stuff on the base on the inside. The coils are all pretty clean. Let's get the fin straightener out and see how that goes. Okay, let's see how this works. Doesn't look like this is quite fine enough, but we'll see how it does. Let's see if we can get a better view of this. It does a decent job. could leave the fins looking a little bit better, but it's better than having crushed in fins like that. The straightener seems to have done a decent job. Not exactly the right pitch for these fins, so we've got some lines down it, but most of the air will generally flow through pretty well. This side's not that bad at all. Yeah, let's see if we can give the fan, maybe the compressor, a test run. Here's the electrical panel. Nothing too special here. A run capacitor for the fan and the compressor. This thing I think is a thermostat, which is used to switch the two-speed fan motor between high and low depending on the outside ambient. This sensor just goes down here and ends. Well, so it looks like they've never used the original flow rater piston. It's still sitting in its bag there. There's a thermostat here for some reason. Maybe this is to stop the unit from running when it's too cold outside. To check on that. Contactor. Yeah, and also there's a info up here. Schematic. Wiring to here's the schematic. There's the compressor, capacitor. Yeah, there's that dual speed fan motor with that high and low switch. LA, that must be that thermal switch. Series with the coil. And there's some performance data here. A little bit wrecked. And some other specs. Copeland 10 amp, 10.3 amp, 1/6 horsepower fan motor, 3 to 35 microfarad cap, charged with 73 ounces of R22. Stuff on line, how much to add based on line length. Let's see if we can get this fan running. Okay, I've got a control transformer hooked up. I've disconnected the compressor. Let's give the fan a try. Nice. Pretty quiet. I should dry the coils off quite nicely. Let's swap the fan leads around and run it on high. I put a switch here to easily switch between high and low speeds. It's on low right now, so let's start it up. And now let's switch it to high. A little bit faster. Yeah, not much difference. And it spins down pretty quickly. Let's see if we can give the compressor a quick run. Okay, I'll just run it for maybe a second or so. Yep, that seems to work. Pretty quiet too. I'll have to just figure out if there's any charge in this system. Hopefully it was pumped down so there's so the charge is inside it and it can easily be put back into service. I've blocked off the discharge tube. I've hooked up the gauge set to the suction or discharge service valve. I'll just crack that open a little bit and see if the gauge reading goes up. Yes, it does appear to be charged. Close the valve off again. 110 PS, 125 psi, which is about 73 degrees Fahrenheit. pretty close to the ambient temperature in here, so it does appear to be charged. That's good. Okay, this condensing unit looks to be in fully operational condition. I'll have to find somewhere to install it, someone who wants it. Anyway, thanks for watching.